I realize that not everyone is going to be able to attend class, so I thought I would show you how to upload a document to the discussion board area in Blackboard. If you're in my Monday, Wednesday, Friday class, I'll go over this in class on Wednesday, the 2nd of September. If you're in my Tuesday, Thursday class, I went through it today, but I'm not on Tuesday, but I'm not sure that I explained it very well. So I thought I'd make this video to kind of remind you of how it works. So you go to Blackboard, you get to our course, and you click on course content. Once you're inside course content, you click on the first folder that is the weeks 1 through 4 autobiography folder. And once you're in that section, you go to the first discussion board. You click on the blue link, and you wait until it opens. In this particular case, I see that some of the students have already posted theirs. If you're the very first one to do this, you will get a blank screen, and all it's going to show you is this information here at the top. And so what you need to do is click on Create Thread. When Create Thread opens, you'll see the forum description just like you did earlier. And you'll see who evaluates whom. And you'll see this message box open up. There's a subject line, so here you would type in maybe your last name, although your last name will appear next to it. Okay. If you have anything you want to say, like I'm looking for feedback about a particular issue, then you put that into this part. And then down below, you'll see that there's an area that says Browse My Computer, Attach File. And so you click on that, and you should get a file menu. In my case, it connects to my OneDrive, and that's how it depends on how your computer's set up. You find your file, you upload it, and then all you have to do is click on Submit, which is over here on the right-hand side. Let me move my screen up a little bit so you can see it. And then you click on Submit. And that is how you upload a document to this. Now, when you come back to comment on the person you're assigned to, and you can tell that from the forum, so you should look for that between Wednesday when you post this and Friday. Then you click on the person, the word proposal, and you should see their proposal document. Here it is. You can see their proposal document. And then you click on reply. Okay. And then in the same kind of message box, you can put whatever comments you have for that student. Okay. And then once again, you click submit. So that's the way to use the discussion board. You get to it by, again, going through course content. And then to the autobiography folder. And then you go to the first discussion board. You open that. Click on Create Thread. And again, you can see who you're supposed to evaluate here. You put a subject in, it'll tell you if you don't. Type in this box whatever you want to help focus the people who are going to be reviewing your proposal. And then click on Browse My Computer, find your file, and upload it. I'm not going to go through that again, but that's basically how it's done. And then once you get your file uploaded here, you click on the word submit. Okay, pretty straightforward. And again, some students have already figured this out. It doesn't matter which section you're in. 101-608, the Monday, Wednesday, Friday class, or 101-625, the Tuesday, Thursday class. The process is the same. The only difference is you're going to see different students listed in the matrix who are being asked to provide feedback on your proposal. Okay, so I hope this helps you understand how to make these kinds of posts within the discussion board area. Thank you.